watching you while you sleep. You turn off the lights, crawl into bed, and drift off, completely unaware that something is lurking in the shadows. Tiny, bloodthirsty invaders creeping toward you. You don't feel their bite. You don't hear them coming. But by the time you wake up, it's already too late. They've fed, they've multiplied, and they're still here. All right, let's cut through the fear and get to the facts. Bed bugs, tiny, relentless, and nearly indestructible. They've been around for thousands of years, yet somehow, we still don't know the full truth about them. You've heard the horror stories. Maybe you've even lived through one yourself. The stigma, the endless battles, the emotional and financial toll of trying to get rid of these parasites, it's enough to drive anyone mad. And the worst part, there's so much misinformation out there that people are wasting time and money on solutions that don't work. Today, we're exposing the biggest lies about bedbugs, the myths, the misconceptions, and the shocking truths the pest control industry doesn't want you to know. So if you think you're safe just because your house is clean, or that a few sprays of pesticide will get rid of them, think again. Myth number 1, bedbugs only infest dirty homes. First up, one of the biggest lies out there. Bedbugs only infest dirty places. Sounds logical, right? Wrong. Bedbugs don't care if you're messy or neat, rich or poor. They don't feed on dirt, they feed on you. They've been found in luxury hotels, airplanes, hospitals, and even 5-star resorts. If there's a warm body and a place to hide, they'll move in. Myth number 2, bedbugs are easy to spot. Another dangerous lie. People think they'd know if they had bedbugs. But these little vampires are masters of disguise. Bedbugs go through 5 stages of life, and in their early stages, they're nearly microscopic. Even adult bedbugs, which are about the size of an apple seed, hide deep in cracks, electrical outlets, and even inside your walls. Most infestations aren't discovered until it's too late, when there are hundreds of them. Myth number 3, bedbugs spread diseases. This one's tricky. Some people believe bedbugs are harmless because they don't spread disease. That's partially true. They don't transmit diseases the way mosquitoes or ticks do. But bedbugs can carry dangerous bacteria like MRSA, and the psychological effects of an infestation can be devastating. Anxiety, insomnia, paranoia, some people experience PTSD-like symptoms from bedbug infestations. That's how mentally exhausting these pests can be. Now let's talk about what really makes bedbugs a nightmare. 1, they can survive for months without feeding. 2, they can withstand extreme temperatures, from freezing cold to intense heat. 3, a single female can lay up to 500 eggs in her lifetime. That means one pregnant bedbug can start an entire infestation in just weeks. And if you think tossing out your mattress will solve the problem, think again. Bedbugs don't just live in beds. They hide in furniture, baseboards, carpets, and even behind wallpaper. So what can you do if you have bedbugs, or if you want to prevent them? Here are the top 5 things you need to know. 1, inspect secondhand furniture. If you buy anything used, mattresses, couches, chairs, check for tiny black spots, fecal stains, eggs, or shed skins before bringing it inside. 2, use mattress encasements. These trap bedbugs and make it easier to detect them before they spread. 3, be cautious when traveling. Always check hotel beds, luggage racks, and even your clothes when coming home. 4, don't rely on DIY treatments. Most home remedies don't work, and bedbugs have become resistant to many store-bought pesticides. 5, call a professional. If you find bedbugs, don't wait. Professional heat treatments are the most effective way to eliminate them for good. Bedbugs are more than just a nuisance. They are relentless, they are resilient, and they do not discriminate. The key to winning the war against them is knowledge, knowing how to spot them, how to prevent them, and when to call in the experts. So, have you ever had to deal with bedbugs? How did you handle it? Drop your horror stories or tips in the comments below. And if you want to learn even more about keeping your home pest-free, Check out my other video on the top 10 pest control secrets you need to know. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon, because trust me, this is one nightmare you'll want to be prepared for.